Next on the list is kube-c-tl top nodes. This will actually give the top nodes which is running or taking more resources. It will basically sorts by the resources usage and it will display those nodes. Let's give it a try. So here it says metrics API not available. I think by default the metric is not enabled. We'll try to overcome this situation. When I looked for this particular problem, it says that we have to install metrics server. I'm just pasting the command. It's a kube-c-tl apply and we have to get some components here. So it's got created now. We'll verify whether it's have the ports. Get ports. There is no ports, but we'll see the deployment. It should install in the kube system. Yeah, I mean it's, you can see the age is just 44 seconds. So it's basically ready when it reaches 1 here. You should not see the 0. We'll wait for some more time. This is not still coming up. Let's try to debug this kube-c-tl. Get deployments. -n hours in kube system. Trying to grab the metrics. Still is showing us 0 only. Think we need to edit some TLS flags. kube-c-tl edit deployment metrics server kube system or namespace. So I found the issue and I'm just adding this part in the deployment. Kubelet insecure -tls command. Let's see how it goes. Still it's not coming up. Let's try to restart the same. kube-c-tl rollout, restart, deployment. Our deployment name is metrics server. I should prefix the namespace.